wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybid presents the 10 best rotary cutting mats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the U Quilting Kit is a good value for crafters of all kinds. It includes a ruler, a 1.5 foot long mat, a 45mm cutter, and handy pins and clips, yet it costs roughly the same as some other companies charge for just a mat. It's suitable for both righties and lefties, and the mat is a durable 5-layer design. However, note that the mat has centimeter but not inch markings on it. At number 9, the Tailor Quilter's Cut and Press 2 offers two functions, with a cutting surface on one side and a cushioned ironing surface on the other. This saves you from having to switch between your work table and ironing station. It's lightweight at less than 3 pounds and comes with a handle for easy portability, but the layers can separate over time. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Alvin GBM Series is available in a wide range of sizes, all with a 3mm thickness and a glare-free reversible design. The composite vinyl is specifically designed for both rotary blades and straight utility knives. It also works as a desk blotter, and both sides have grid lines. However, it can warp quickly in heat. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for rotary cutting mats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with its included ankle markings, the olfa double-sided makes precision cutting on tricky patterns a lot easier. Its versatile design features a solid green side for general crafting, while the reverse has grid lines marked in inches for detailed projects. It's easy to get particles out of it, and it's got smooth rounded edges, but note that it's not meant for fixed blade knives. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're on a budget, the Daffodil 2 makes a good choice, with many features usually found only on more expensive options. The 3-ply construction is perfect for heavy-duty cutting, and it stays flat without curling or warping, no matter how much you use it. It helps to keep blades sharp, and the flip side sports metric markings. However, it is smaller than advertised. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Crafty World Professional is a popular choice, with an 18 by 24 inch grid that offers plenty of usable space. Its yellow lines are extra bright and easy to see, which will help you maintain accuracy even in dim lighting. It's backed by a lifetime guarantee and also available in radiant blue, but it doesn't heal as well as some. At number 4, the olfa rotating boasts a premium 2-piece build, and as the name suggests, rotates 360 degrees. The green surface has a self-healing finish that regenerates between uses, and the non-slip bottom stays securely in place. It's ideal for scrapbooking and can extend the life of rotary blades. However, it can feel a bit stiff to turn. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the omnigrid fold-away is perfect for taking with you anywhere. When open, it offers 2 surfaces, one for your rotary cutter and one for your iron, but it stays closed neatly for travel. It's equipped with a strong Velcro tab and amply sized handles, and the pressing area is non-stick. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for rotary cutting mats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, it's a bit of an investment, but if you're using dark fabrics or older eyes, the Cutterpillar Glow Premium might be worth it. The bright work area offers 3 levels of illumination, while the cutting surface is conveniently replaceable. It comes with a lithium-ion battery and runs for about 4 hours per charge. It stays cool to the touch. And taking the top spot on our list, the Dahle Vantage is a versatile workhorse with 5 layers that heal well and your choice of blue or black. There's also a crystal clear version that's nearly transparent, which is perfect for tracing. It features white grid lines and angles, both inch and centimeter markings, and a reliably smooth surface. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for Rotary cutting mats, or simply click beneath this video.